CNC profiling cutting machine is a full automatic, computerized sponge cutting machine. Microcomputer operation, cut drawing layout. Automatic profiling according to the drawing layout. Automatic profiling according to the drawing layout. Precise cutting of complex shapes, such as curved, shaped, etc. Can realize straight line, curve, and other cutting methods. Automatic feeding, positioning, cutting and continuous operation. Support customized processing of sponges with different densities, for example memory foam, high elasticity foam.